Peace and happiness to you all. So listen, in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload an ebook on Amazon KDP. So how to publish your own ebook on Amazon KDP. As you can see here, you have several options. You can upload an ebook. You can upload a paperback book. So this is a paperback book, right? So this is the actual paperback book. And then the ebook is just a file. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And also I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI to actually create or to write the entire ebook, to format it, and also to do the cover design for you, right? So this is what I'm going to talk about in this video right now. Now, listen, just before I continue, let me show you some of the books that I've published, right? As you can see here, here's one of the books that I've published, right? So this is one of the paperback books that I've published. And then also here is the Kindle. This is the ebook. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload the ebook. Okay. So now let's get started. Now, before we continue, my name is actually Vita King. So as you can see here, I am a self-publishing strategist. This is what I do. I show you how to use AI to write your entire book and then upload it on Amazon KDP. Okay. So now this is what you need to do, right? So you need to first create an Amazon account, right? So it's called Kindle, right? So Amazon KDP account. So you need to create an Amazon KDP account. It's free, right? So once you create an Amazon KDP account, this is what the home page, right? This is what it looks like. Now, to upload books, all you got to do is just go to where it says create new style or create new title. And now you have the option of uploading either an ebook or a paperback book, right? So as I said, the ebook is just a file. Now, to create the ebook, you need to have a manuscript. So this is where AI comes in. This is where Claude comes in. So with Claude, you can prompt Claude to write the entire ebook for you, right? So you just give it a subject, you give it a topic, right? As you can see here, this is one of the ebooks that I just created, right? So this is an ebook right here. So Claude AI wrote the entire ebook for me. Now, this ebook is ready for publish, right? For me to publish it. All I have to do is just download it. And then if I come here, if I come back to Amazon KDP, boom, I can just create the title. Now, let me show you what it looks like because I've already uploaded one. So I don't want to go through the entire process again. So let me show you, for example. So here's an ebook, right? So let me go. So let's say if I go continue setup. So I'm just going to show you the information that you need. It's a three-step process, basically, right? You just got to enter your information such as, okay, okay, let's go save and continue. All right. So you got to enter the book details, right? There you go. So here, right? So you just got to enter. So there's three steps, easy, right? Very easy. Book title, right? You enter the book title, you enter your name, author name, the description, right? And then that's step one, right? So this part is really easy, right? Now, the most difficult part, continue and save, right? So let's go continue and save. The most difficult part is this right here. This is what the most difficult. This is where a lot of people have problems, right? Now, when you're uploading the manuscript, you have to know what kind of manuscript, the technicalities and all that. Now, this is where Claude AI comes in, right? This is where you bypass all that requirement because remember, Amazon KDP has requirements in terms of file and all that. So to bypass that, you use Claude AI to design or to write the entire book for you. Now, this is what you need to do to expedite the process for you. So that way you don't have to worry about all the technical stuff. This is what I've done, right? I've created a skill set. It's called a AI self-publishing skill set. Here it is right here, right? The Claude AI self-publishing system, right? So this system here allows you to basically what you're going to do is this. You download it, right? Now, to download it, you got to go to our website, Project Creator Academy, right? In our Project Creator Academy, this is where we give you you have different templates that you can download, right? So there's different types of templates, self-publishing guides, business model canvas. So there's different types of template, right? And it's a monthly subscription. So you can set up a monthly subscription and then just cancel at any time. So you can get access to this self-publishing AI system for Amazon, for Claude AI. Now, once you're inside the Academy, you just got to download it. Once you download it, you come to Claude AI, and then from Claude AI, you go to, right? So here, right? You just click on where it says customize, okay? And then you go to create new skills, and then you click on this little plus button here, all right? And then you go create skills and then upload a skill. Boom. And then you go upload, right? And then once you upload, so let me just show you quickly what it looks like. So let's say if I was to upload that file that I just downloaded, right? Boom, there it is. So now I'm not going to upload it because I already have it, right? But this is what it looks like, right? So let me show you. This is the skill. So basically what it does is this. It turns Claude AI into a self-publishing strategist, right? So now Claude AI knows exactly what Amazon KDP requires from you when you're uploading any file, when you're uploading any book, whether it's ebook, whether it's a paperback book. So now Claude AI becomes a self-publishing machine. So now look at this, right? So now you can create different types of books, right? So here it is right here, right? So you can create how-to books, workbooks, self-help books, step-by-step book, educational book, planner, whatever you want. You can now create it within Claude AI, and then it will give you the file. So as you can see here, here's the book and here's the files, right? So here's one of the book that was created, right? And then here's the file right here. Boom, you just download it, and then you go on Amazon KDP, and then you just upload your manuscript, right? So now, as you can see here, because this is something that I uploaded, but it wasn't the right file, right? So if it's not the right file, you're gonna get these error message. That's why with this new system that we just created, right? This new system that I just showed you, right? Here it is right here inside the funding, inside the Project Creator Academy. It's called the Amazon KDP and Claude AI self-publishing system. So it's an entire system. Once you download that, right, and then you go to Claude and then you upload it, then you turn Claude into a self-publishing machine. So now you can create any type of ebook that you want, and then you can just go to Amazon KDP and upload it. So listen, now you have a agent, right? So now you've just turned Claude into a publishing agent, right? So you just give it a simple prompt, and then it will create the ebook. It will format it for you, whether it's you want the ebook or you want the paperback, and then you can go on Amazon KDP and just upload it. Now, Amazon KDP is really it's straightforward, right? So, right, as you can see here, it's 3 steps. Step number 1 is you enter the book detail. Step number 2, you upload the manuscript, and then you upload the ebook cover. Now, for the ebook cover, the easiest way to create the ebook cover is this. If you have a Canva subscription, whether the free or paid, I don't know if the free one has the template. If you have a Canva subscription, what you can do is go to Canva, right, and then just select one of their templates, the book template, and then just edit it, right? Edit it, with your own information, and then download it, and then you can come to Amazon KDP and upload that. That's the easiest way to create your ebook cover, right? Because there's a difference between an ebook cover and a paperback, right? For example, this is a paperback. Now with the paperback, there's the front and then there's the back. So for example here, let me show you, right? This is an ebook cover. It only has the front, but this is a paperback, right? Paperback books have front and then they have the back. So the paperback are more difficult to do, but the ebook one are easy to do. All you got to do is just, if you have a Canvas subscription, free or paid, I don't know if the free one gives you all the template, right? But if you just go to Canva and just pick any book template and then just edit it, and then once you've edited, then you come to Amazon KDP and then you just upload it, right? You see here where it says upload cover, you've already have. So you can upload it in JPEG. Listen, it's really that simple, right? Because there's only 3 steps. Step number 1, as I said, right? You create you give it some detail. Step 2, you upload your manuscript and you upload your book cover, right? And then you just go through all these. And look, see, Amazon accepts AI books, right? Like this book right here. It's AI generated. I use AI. I use Claude to write the entire book. So you don't have to worry about AI books because Amazon accepts AI books. So you see, very easy to, right? 3-step process. And then the last step is you save and continue. The last step is this is where you put in your prices and stuff like that, right? So this is where you select your territory, right? You put your prices, and then when you're ready to submit it, you hit publish your book. Now, it takes up to 72 hours for your book to be published. So, right? So give it up to 72 hours. But it's a 3-step process. That's how you do it, right? 3-step process to uploading your books on Amazon KDP, right? So if I go back to my bookshelves, right, as you can see here, here is the book, right? So here's the book that I was uploading, the ebook, right? So right now it's draft. I haven't published it yet because I just wanted to use it as an example. So listen, I want to recap this, right? Just to make it simple for you. What you need to do is this, right? We've created the self-publishing AI system for you for Claude AI, right? You download this, right? Go to our website. This is our website, projectcreatoracademy.com. The link is going to be below in the description section and also in the comment section, right? Once you enroll or once you you choose a subscription, because you also get other templates as well. You get business marketing checklists, you get digital product checklists, you get self-publishing checklists, you get different types of checklists, Canvas, right? And then there's the monthly subscription, and then there's the quarterly subscription. The difference between the monthly and the quarterly is the monthly you get access to all the tools and all the templates. The quarterly, which is 3 months, you get access to the Q&A forum, right? Now, once you've enrolled, then inside the academy, this is where the file is going to be available for you. Once you download the file, and then you go to Claude AI, right? And then on Claude AI, you go to where it says custom, right? Customize, this little box here. Go to create new skills, and then you go click the little plus button, right? Go to create new skill and then upload skill. And then you can upload that skill that we created for you, right? Here it is right here. If I go upload, then boom. So I already have it uploaded, so I'm not going to upload it for you. So basically that skill, it turns Claude AI into a publishing machine where by just giving it a prompt, it will create an entire book for you. It will format it. It will create a cover design, as you can see here. This entire book, right? This book that's live on Amazon KDP right now. Here's the book, right? This is the book right here. It's live on Amazon. It was entirely, the entire book, the entire process, right? From the beginning to the end, it was created with AI, right? With Claude AI. So you now have this system, right? This system, this skill set that you upload inside inside Claude AI to turn it into a self-publishing machine. So now you just give it a prompt, right? So as you can see here, right now, so from here on, let's say if I go back here, all I have to do is just give it a prompt. Say, hey, create, right? Let's just say write an ebook about how to set goals, right? Now it already has that skill set, and then boom, 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 it's going to create the entire book for you. And then here's what the book looks like, right? So here's the book, right? So here's another one here, right? And it's just simple prompt. Like here, let me show you, right? Let me show you the prompt. Here's a prompt, right? Write a book for Amazon KDP about starting a business with no money. Trim size is 8.5 by 8.5. Now, if you're doing paperback books, then yes, then you have to give it a trim size, the size of the book. But if you just want to do an ebook, you don't have to be specific in terms of the trim size because ebooks don't have trim sizes, right? So listen, this is very important information, especially if you've been delaying or if you've been procrastinating in launching or writing your book. Now you have Claude AI and you have Amazon KDP to help to expedite that process for you. And with this system that we've created for you, right, this self-publishing KDP nonfiction book writer skill, right, download it. Just go to our website. The link is going to be below in the description section and the comment section, right? Just choose any subscription. You can choose the monthly subscription and you can cancel at any time. You get access to all the tools, all the resources inside the academy, right? And one of the resources is the Amazon KDP self-publishing. Now, once you download this, you go to Claude, you upload it, and now you've turned Claude into a self-publishing machine. So now you can publish unlimited amount of books, whether it's paperback books or ebooks, and it's going to be formatted, it's going to be structured properly, right? All the technical aspect of it, Claude is going to handle that. All you got to do is go to Amazon KDP and just upload it. So listen, I think I'm going to end it here. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and the link to the academy is going to be below in the description section, and it's also going to be in the comment section. Listen, make sure this year, make it your priority to at least publish one book. With all the information that I've given you, you should publish at least one book, because now you don't have to, you don't have to think about the technical stuff, because all the heavy work is handled for you, because now you have the self-publishing, right? You have the system, or you have the self-publishing skill set, right? Download it, and then you go to Claude AI, upload it, and now you've turned Claude into a self-publishing machine, where by just giving it a prompt, it's going to write an entire book for you. Okay, so listen, I'm out of here. I will see you all in the next video. I am out. Peace.